Good day, my name is Mellor. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I've got a number of clients in Chino that are contemplating the formation of a business entity and want to know whether they should file for a corporate entity or a limited liability company. So I think it's helpful to give you some pointers in what I tell my clients when they come to the office about these issues. The first is that one of the considerations you want to think about in formation of an entity is that of personal liability protection. When it comes to that, corporations and LLCs offer the same protection, and they insulate you from personal liability as long as you're not using the corporate or limited liability company for your own personal bank account and commingling funds. As long as you're not doing that and keeping the corporate structure intact, you can insulate yourself from personal liability. But one of the biggest issues that I think people face when they're dealing with corporate or LLC liability or formation is tax liability. So before you come and see someone like myself, you want to see your tax professional or certified public accountant and ask them, with respect to your particular business enterprise, what it is that you want to form in terms of tax liability, what's better for you to do. Certain real estate ventures, an LLC, in my experience, benefits you more than does a corporate entity, so that may be a consideration if you're dealing with real estate. But you want to talk to your certified public accountant or tax professional about which entity is better for you. And finally, I just want to say that in terms of liability protection, probably one of the distinctions between the two is that if you're enforcing a judgment with a corporation or an LLC, it might be easier to avoid attachment with an LLC because the only way for a creditor to attach your membership distributions is when a distribution is made. But if the LLC doesn't make a distribution, then there's nothing to attach. Whereas with a stock in a corporate entity, the creditor may be able to attach the stock that you own. So those are some of the distinctions and some of the considerations to think about. If you're interested in forming a corporation or LLC, feel free to contact my office and be happy to discuss it with you.